The year 2026 marks a revolutionary step for Cadillac, a name long synonymous with American luxury and innovation. The brand has stunned the automotive world once again with the grand unveiling of the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome, a masterpiece that combines premium automotive craftsmanship, futuristic technology, and the freedom of mobile living. Designed to redefine what luxury travel means, this motorhome is far more than a vehicle. It's a rolling mansion on wheels, crafted for those who demand the finest experiences wherever the road may lead. Cadillac's vision for this model is clear: to merge the essence of its flagship vehicles with the practicality of a motorhome, creating a seamless blend of comfort, design, and performance. The result is an extraordinary machine that feels more like a high-end penthouse than a camper van. With the rise of luxury RVs in recent years, Cadillac has entered the arena not to compete but to dominate, introducing features that feel decades ahead of their time. The exterior of the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome immediately commands attention. Its design philosophy borrows cues from the brand's modern lineup, featuring bold vertical LED lighting, an illuminated front grille, and sharp, aerodynamic lines that convey motion even when stationary. The iconic Cadillac crest sits proudly in the center of the front fascia, glowing elegantly to signify the fusion of tradition and innovation. The body is constructed using lightweight composite aluminum panels that not only improve structural rigidity but also enhance fuel efficiency and range. Cadillac engineers focused heavily on aerodynamics, incorporating active grille shutters and a sleek roofline to reduce drag, resulting in a surprisingly smooth drive for a vehicle of its size. The motorhome is available in both electric and hybrid configurations, appealing to both eco-conscious travelers and traditional enthusiasts. The all-electric variant utilizes Cadillac's Ultium battery platform, the same revolutionary technology found in the brand's upcoming electric SUVs. It offers an estimated range of up to 480 miles on a single charge, making long-distance adventures practical and sustainable. For those who prefer a balance of power and flexibility, the plug-in hybrid version combines a high-efficiency V8 with dual electric motors, producing over 650 horsepower in total. The vehicle's intelligent all-wheel drive system ensures smooth handling across all terrains, from highways to rugged mountain roads. Performance in the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome feels surprisingly refined. Despite its massive dimensions, the ride remains whisper quiet, thanks to Cadillac's advanced active noise cancellation technology. The adaptive air suspension automatically adjusts to road conditions, maintaining optimal comfort and stability at all times. Whether you're cruising along a coastal highway or parked beside a serene lake, the driving experience feels effortless. Cadillac's engineers have masterfully tuned this motorhome to deliver a sense of composure that is rare in the RV segment. Step inside, and the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome truly begins to impress. The interior is a breathtaking showcase of craftsmanship, technology, and comfort, a clear reminder that this is no ordinary camper. Every surface is wrapped in premium materials, including hand-stitched leather, open-pore walnut wood, and brushed aluminum. The cabin is illuminated by ambient LED lighting that can be customized to match your mood, from warm sunset tones to cool modern hues. A panoramic glass roof spans almost the entire length of the vehicle, flooding the living space with natural light and offering stunning views of the sky. The layout has been carefully designed to maximize space and convenience. The living area features plush recliner seats that can swivel to face a retractable 65-inch OLED entertainment screen, perfect for streaming movies or video calls. The surround sound system, developed in partnership with AKG, delivers crystal-clear audio that transforms the cabin into a private cinema or concert hall. The dining area includes a retractable table that folds seamlessly into the wall when not in use, maintaining a clutter-free environment. The kitchen is a marvel of modern design and functionality. It comes equipped with a full induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, microwave, and an espresso machine integrated into the counter. Touch-sensitive surfaces and voice commands allow owners to control lighting, temperature, and appliances effortlessly. Cadillac's AI assistant, powered by the company's advanced infotainment software, helps plan routes, manage energy usage, and even suggest nearby destinations or restaurants. The kitchen area also features a retractable window that doubles as an outdoor bar setup, ideal for social gatherings or enjoying the open air. Sleeping arrangements in the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome rivaled